What's going on, guys? This is Will H Check Review, back with another video. And today we're taking a look at a headset that was sent out to me by Newbie. So this is the USB headset, Newbie office computer headset with noise canceling mic and inline call controls. On ear 3.5 millimeter jack call center headset for Skype, Zoom, Webner, cell phone, PC, tablet, classroom, and home. So you can pick this up at two places. You can pick it up at anewbie.com, and you can also get it at amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So let's take a look at some of the features and details of this. All right, some of the features and details. This has some of the features and details: noise reduction, sound card for crystal clear sounds, Newbie H360 conference call headsets, built-in high-quality noise reduction sound card, which will reduce the noise on computers, music, and other audio signals to bring you HD clear, crystal clear sound. This has inline controls and rotatable design, comfortable wearing. So these are compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, tablets, and PCs. You can use this for such things as Skype chat, business calls, call center, podcasts, YouTube video recording, WhatsApp, online courses, truck driving, phone sales, teleconferences, game chat, Xbox Live, just a host of things that you can use it for. Link will be in the description if you guys want to pick this up. The links will be in the description if you want to pick this up. So here's the packaging. And right now I'm recording this video with my Google Pixel 4a. So what I'm going to do eventually during this video, I'll plug these in. And I'm using the Pixel 4a without any microphone. It's just the mic that is on the Google Pixel 4a. I'm going to plug these in and check the sound on them just like that by plugging it in. So here's the packaging. Very nice packaging from Newbie H360 telephone headset. So let's get into packaging and see what we got here. All right, so wow, these are nice and compact, as you guys can see. So let's see what else is in the packaging. You get your quick start guide there. Get a customer reward. Let's see what else we get here. So these are cable clips if you want to attach these to the device that you're going to be using. So you get some cable clips, and open these up and take a look at them. So these have self-adhesive right there. So you just peel that off and you can run your cable through that to manage your cable. Nice touch. And this is your USB inline control here. So you got your mic, you got your volume up and down, and you got your mute button, and then USB type A. So let's get this stuff out of the way. All right, and take a closer look at the headsets. Okay, guys, so let's take a closer look at the headset. You got this Newbie branding here. You got this nice little pattern on the side there. Your ear pads have nice padded, soft feeling material here. Also on your headband, it's padded, so that should make for some great comfort. These are adjustable, so you should find your size there. The ear pads swivel, so whatever angle you want to use them at. You do have your adjustable mic right here. And then you get your 3.5 millimeter audio right here. And these fold down to be very compact. And these are very light, so you shouldn't have any discomfort using these. The cable that's included here is pretty long from what it seems. So yeah, you're getting a long cable here. And if you need to use the inline controls, you have a 3.5 millimeter jack right here. You simply just take your 3.5 millimeter audio, plug it in, and then you have your mute button, you have your mic button, volume up and down, and mute. And then you have your type USB-A on this end, and this part is pretty long as well. So this will reach good ways. If you want to use this with your laptop, with your PC, MacBook, or whatever has the USB-A, you can use that. I'm going to be trying it out with my iPad, and we'll take a look and listen it and see how good it works. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so I have it plugged into the Google Pixel 4a, if you guys can see that right there. And you can see how they fit on my head. They feel pretty comfortable, and the noise cancellation is great on them. I can't really hear much outside noise from them. Very lightweight. Have the mic about an inch away from my mouth, and I think I could wear these for a long time period and feel pretty comfortable as well. So this is a look at them, and this is the sound quality. Hopefully it's an improvement over the onboard mic on the Google Pixel 4a. Let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, guys, so we're back on the Google Pixel 4a mic, onboard mic, and hopefully these sound pretty good. That is just one scenario where you can use them. These can be used, like I said, for Skype calls, plugging them to your PC and taking phone calls and things of that nature. But that's just a little sample that I had. So the link will be in the description for these guys. Will H. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.